Good afternoon, friends. Now, in this particular video, we will definitely go ahead and know more about the probability theory, as I keep repeating myself. Now, here is another Wikipedia page which definitely gives us more introduction, or I would say a lucid introduction to the probabilities and how they are being used again in terms of the research and the analysis part of our study itself. Now here you will see that yes, once you go more into it, it has discussed about the history of probability as to how it has started off, how the treatment was there. And now you don't have to pick up a mathematics book to understand the depth of it. If you are able to go ahead and read certain of these things and interact with one or two individuals, you will see that the definitions of what is power set of a sample space, event space, then you are talking about the event itself, random variables. These things are certain things that I really wanted to know and understand the depth of it. Now in the same manner, discrete probability distributions, as I was telling to you earlier, also are present, and these also should be known to us, so that we are able to. Now for example, they have talked about throwing dice, experiment with deck of cards, random walk, tossing coins. Now you see, these are the classical examples. However, in the contemporary scenarios, how these things are being used is also important. Like for example, I have seen that watching Titanic movie, all of us have seen it. Now I know the way Python has gone ahead, and a complete sector, industrial sector of insurance has been changed due to this particular research that was done on the movie Titanic itself. Now if that is so, then the probability that we have got for the other things are also available, and we need to understand and set up our own experiment so that we are also able to predict and understand those probabilities in a new way. And now that is the reason why I keep telling you again and again, the digital stories, the visualization stories, or even you can say the graphical stories that you have got instantly speak a lot and share a lot of things. Unless and until you don't have that kind of an observing eyes in front of you, it becomes very difficult. So here are the cases wherein if you are able to focus on these things also, sometimes without entering into too much of the mathematics, you will see that yes, it's a wonderful journey, and we are able to focus on certain things, so that our own research towards it can be outliers, or it can be the common data that is existing for us, or the mass data which is getting accumulated at a particular point. All these things really help us to understand certain things. So let me proceed further and introduce to you the other things which I really wanted to know more and more. So here you can read about the central limit theorem, what exactly it is telling us, and how it is going to be helpful for us. Now certain things are there definitely that we can talk about, and here you can see they have given you the list of probability topics, then list of statistical topics is also there, then the probability distributions are also existing. Now if you are able to go ahead and get yourself introduced to these kind of a thing, maybe one at a time, I think the research world will become fantastic for each one of us. So I'm going to stop here, and let me come back with more things to go. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.